These are our various styles of glass hanging fasteners. We have the 48 diameter mold equipped with a full threaded screw, offered in multiple classic surface finishes, including brushed steel, matte black, and titanium gold. Besides, we also provide the 40mm diameter adjustable version, which is easy to install and convenient for height and position fine turning on site. In addition, there is a 40mm diameter solid mold, featuring solid structure, strong load-bearing capacity, and great stability. All molds are exquisitely crafted with fine workmanship, adopting high-quality raw material, smooth surface, elegant appearance, and durable performance.